In this video, we're going to be looking at how you can use Zapier to automate certain tasks on your Shopify store so that it makes things much more streamlined so you don't have to do everything manually. So the example that we're going to be using for this is, let's say that you're promoting your products on your Shopify. If you're promoting your products on your social media account, usually what you'd have to do is if you have a new product, you have to get the image, you have to upload it, you have to write a description, then you post it. So it's a very manual process. We're going to use Zapier so that what's going to happen is every time you make a new product on your Shopify store, it automatically gets posted to your Instagram for Business page, will automatically get posted to your Facebook page, and then you'll get an email confirming that everything that's been posted, this new product has been posted onto your social media account. So let's go ahead and set that up. So once you get into your dashboard here, the next thing that you want to do is come here to Zap, or you can just click on Create Zap like this. It's going to take you to a page like this. New Zap. So click inside the what would you like to automate box and type this. So we're going to say, when a new product is made on Shopify, post it to my Instagram business account. And what happened to the site instead of it as well as my Facebook business account, and then send me an email to let me know that the post has Okay, when the new product is made on Shopify, post to my Instagram business account, as well as my Facebook business account, and then send an email to my Gmail account to let me know that the post is made. All right, good. So let's generate this. Okay. So we have to give it a couple seconds. Let's see if it works. So step 1, new product Shopify. Step 2, publish photo, Instagram for business. Step 3, create page photo, and step 4, Gmail. Okay, good. So we have our Zap here. So let's try it out like this. All right, good. So first thing, new product in Shopify. What do we have to do? We have to connect our account. Good, new product here. You see how they have all these different events here. Zapier is very useful because it has a lot of this already set up for us. You see how quickly we were able to get this set up. Now we just have to plug and play. We can get this thing set up for our store. So account, right? Continue. Now my account, I believe it's already connected. My Shopify account is already connected. Okay, yes, my account is already connected. But if you don't have your account connected, what you have to do is it's going to have a link that you can use to connect to your Shopify account, and then you just have to go through some steps, connect Zapier, everything will be set up. So that's the first step, is to make sure that your Shopify account is connected if it's not already connected. Here, test trigger, new product. Okay, good. So you see how this new product just came in like this? Okay, so we have this connected here, so it's a new product. So from here, we're going to, this looks like it's, oh, okay, Men's Beard Oil. Oh, okay, oh, I see. Okay, so this is the product. You know what, let's use this Men's Beard Oil product we have. So let's do that. So let's go here, continue with selected record like this. Now, again, if you have an account, you would come and you put that here. The image would be here, the caption would be here. So let's say something like, actually, you know what? Let's try this. We'll just keep it simple. So we're going to use the product description there for the title. You see the image is here. Type an image source. Let's see. Let's try this and see if this works. Format data. Okay. Image there, tag user. Finish required field, location. Okay, our vendor here. And it says finish required fields. So, okay, like I said, I don't have an account, but ideally you would want to type your account there, and then that will be set up there. Now, create page photo, page here. Okay, good. Photo, new product in Shopify. Come in here, type an image again. Image source like this. Insert data. Okay, good. So we have that. Description. Let's come here. We're going to use the same product description there. X that out. Remove extra fields. We don't need that. We just need this. And okay, this is the Facebook page. Okay, that's good. Photo and description. So continue. And then, okay, we'll test it in a second. Oh, let's test it right now. Sending a page photo to Facebook pages. See if it works. Okay, so we see here our post is made on our Facebook page. So we come here, see it says, see insights. We have our page, we have our post here. We don't want to boost the post, but yeah, that's good. So our post is there. Let's come back here to Zapier and then send us an email. Okay, so and my email account is connected. Okay, good. And then something here, you can just type in something, new product posted, boom. Okay, so come here and let's see, what else do we need here? New product posted. Come here like this. You want to get the title of whatever was posted. Okay. Signature. You put in your signature there. And since we don't need these extra fields, you set that up like that. And everything else should be connected. So this is a simple way of how you can automate your product posting. Again, make sure that you have all your accounts connected inside. You have your new product that's posted. As soon as the product is posted, you want to post it into your Instagram for Business account. It's going to grab the image, the caption. You can put a location if you like. You want to connect your account. You want to do the same thing for Facebook. And then you want to send an email confirming. And the nice thing is, if you look here, where was it? You can actually add extra people. So if you want to include your whole team or certain team members, you can do that as well. But this is a simple way of how you can automate your product posting onto your Shopify store to make these more easy. Now you can focus on other things, whether it's marketing, working on a store, whatever the case may be. But now you can actually automate some of the social media aspect of your Shopify store or whatever else you're looking for. So if you have any questions, if you need help with any of this, please feel free to reach out and I'll be more than happy to help. Once again, I hope this video was helpful to show you how you can start using Zapier for your Shopify store.